Rolling Meadows is perfect because it offers buyers a lot of great opportunities. We're very close to Harrisburg, we're close to Lancaster, York, Baltimore, and actually we're an easy commute to DC. It's also wonderful for families because there's a lot to do here in the neighborhood. There's a swimming pool, there are basketball courts, pavilions, and it's a very walkable neighborhood, so a lot of families are really enjoying this neighborhood. At Rolling Meadows, we're building floor plans that should meet just about everyone's need. Our homes start as small as about 1,400 square feet, and they could be built out to a little bit over 4,000 square feet. All of the homes are cutting edge, but they still have a classic feel. We have ranch plans, we have first floor master bedroom plans, and we also have your traditional two-story plans. This model home is the Covington Manor. The front of this home is one that I think is ranking as one of my personal favorites. It's one of our more popular floor plans just because it's very open to the dining room, to the kitchen, to the family room. Great appointments such as the cabinets, the gourmet kitchen. We also have the fabulous Venetian bath upstairs, which most people look at as a great in-home spa. This is a plan that I think most families are going to be thrilled with. We build a great home. You have the flexibility to build a home that meets your personal needs. People are finding that they can stretch their dollar quite a bit and they can buy a nice high quality home and not break their bank.